What's up guys, my Airport Nation here, and today I have a brand new unboxing for you guys today. Today I'm going to be unboxing some of my Gemini Jets models that I had received this past week. Looks like we have 3, 6, 7, and 8 today. We'll start off with the Star Alliance 767-300ER. So starting off here, you have the box here. Really happy that Gemini Jets finally made this plane. Looking inside here, super cool. This is definitely going to be a very valuable aircraft here. 2025 Gemini Jets. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. All right guys, here it is. Let's get it out of the packaging. Look at that. What a really cool detailed airplane. Fresh out of the box here, guys. Fresh out of the box. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get a nice look at it. Really detailed, love the paint scheme on it. Star Alliance logo, of course. The antennas on top. Especially the little nudges where the slats are on the wings. I love that. Engines look great. Good job, Gemini Jets. Gemini usually does a pretty good job with their 767s. Wow, guys, absolutely amazing. Here's the bottom again. Super detailed, even this little red mark right here. Absolutely amazing, guys. On to the next model. Guys, next up we have the Virgin Atlantic A38800 Neo here. 40th anniversary sticker. Look at that. Super detailed, guys. Let's take a look inside the box here. Alright guys, look at this. What a really detailed. Oh wow, looks even better in person. Let's go ahead and get it to a safe spot here. There we go. Actually gonna leave this out on my LAX since we're on the north side. Gonna have Virgin Atlantic taxiing out here. Alright guys, here we have Virgin Atlantic A38900 Neo in all its glory. Super detailed. Love the red color on here, the nice shiny red, and the engines as well, guys. Amazing work here by Gemini Jets again. Look at that. That's incredible, guys. Let's take a look at the bottom. Virgin Atlantic on the bottom here. Gemini Jets. You even got the call sign here. Registration. Really neat, guys. This might be one of my favorite airplanes. This and the United 767-300 in the Star Alliance livery, guys. Absolutely amazing. Alright guys, on to the next aircraft. Next up we got the Aeromexico 737-800 here. Really cool livery, guys. Really glad to have this. Definitely going to be getting probably a couple more of these. Let's go ahead and get the box open. Alright guys, here it is. Let's go ahead and get the airplane out. Wow. Whoa, this might be one of my favorite liveries ever, guys. For real though, look at this. Let's get this turntable going. Oh, going this way this time. Alright guys, just look at that beautiful paint scheme on this. I love it. Great job, Aeromexico and Gemini Jets. Look at that. Just iconic, guys. The antennas look amazing. Paint scheme looks amazing. Well, let's take a look at the bottom quick. Gemini Jets there. Nice spot for your stand. Oh yeah. APU in the back there. Registration. Amazing, guys. 10 out of 10. What an amazing model, guys. Alright, let's take this off here. Next model, guys, next model. Alright guys, next up we have the Delta 100 Years livery. Got too excited and already took it out of the box. Let's go ahead and take a look. So zooming in here, you guys can see the A321 here. Absolutely incredible here. Next up we have the Delta A321 Neo here, guys, in the 100 Years livery. Absolutely amazing. Let's get it out of the packaging here. right, guys, I can't even think. Such a cool airplane. I'm so excited to see this. Let's get this on the turntable. Come on, there it goes. Wow, guys, super detailed. I wish this was just Delta's new livery, because this is amazing. Wow. Incredible. I think I'll also get the one from NG as well. Really, really cool, guys. Check it out. Honestly, guys, like I said, I'm speechless. This is amazing. Perfect in every little detail here. Wow, guys, model airports are amazing. 1 to 400 scale is amazing. Literally, you can just take the airplane, you can put it on your dream airport and make it come true. So, super cool. Absolutely amazing, guys. Next plane. All right, guys, next up we have the Legion 737 MAX. You don't even get the specs here. You get this, the Legion is all ultra class carrier. Personally, I would not fly a Legion, guys, but if you do fly a Legion, it gets you where you need to go. I guess that's all it needs to do. But really cool that it is a 737 MAX. Really cool aircraft here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this plane. All right, guys, let's get it on the turntable here. Look at that. I already had this on my layout of LAX here, guys. But I really do like the airplane and the colors. I think it looks amazing. Great work by Gemini Jets. Antennas on top. Wings, details, everything, guys. Look at this. The exits on the wings are pristine in detail. Absolutely amazing, guys. Let's take a look at the bottom of the plane here. Very, very, very detailed here. Even the stripe there for the engines, for the when you're wing walking the airplane back, you don't want to go past that. Otherwise, you are at risk of getting sucked into the engine. So you do need to be careful. Really careful. Next up, we have United 737-800 in the Star Alliance livery. Been wanting this airplane for quite some time now as well. Look at that, guys. The United terminal is going to be popping. That's all I got to tell you guys. It is going to be popping. And I'm going to try and get that up here probably in the next couple days, honestly. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get this thing open. All right, guys, let's get this open here. It's beautiful United 737 Star Alliance livery. Can't even get the plastic off here. Hold on, guys. Let me just get this on there. There we go. All right. Look at this, guys. Stunning work here by Gemini Jets. Absolutely amazing. Spinning around here. As you guys can see, United Airlines here, Star Alliance. Tons of details here, guys. Highly recommend getting this model if you guys get the chance to. Super cool. Let's go to the bottom here quick. Gemini Jets. Super cool. Alright, guys, and second to last here, we have the Aeromexico ARJ190. Beautiful livery as well. So do nice flying around the United States here, the different airports I have. Let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, guys, let's get the wrapper off this aircraft. Let's take a look. Absolutely beautiful here. Wow, guys, I love this new livery. Look at this, it's sick. Let's go ahead and get this out here. Wow, look at the detail on this airplane here, guys. Immaculate. Gemini Jets, you guys did a great job. Whatever Gemini Jets is doing, guys, they've always been pretty good, but honestly, they're improving. They are definitely improving out there. Look at this work on this. Incredible. Let's take a look at the bottom here. Guys, like, look at this detail. Amazing. Incredible. Alright, guys, and last up we have the mighty Emirates A38800 here, the Gemini Jets models. This thing is massive. Just had this in some shots on the runway here at LAX. Super cool. Let's go ahead and get this open. Guys, upon opening this here, you can see what a large model here. Look at this. Emirates does so many special liveries, guys. Super cool. Let's get this thing on the turntable here. Let's get you guys a nice view that you deserve. Wow. Speechless, guys. Just the massive giant here. Super great livery. You see the antennas on the top. I love that. Big antenna guy on these airplanes. Engines look amazing. Wings look amazing. I don't really have anything bad to say about this. They did a great job. Livery, everything, guys. So definitely be flying to LAX and JFK airports here and more for a very long time to come, guys. I'll have to get some more A380s too from Emirates with a new livery on their tail. Didn't get a few of the past ones just because I guess like some of the older ones kind of missed out on those ones. But I guess, you know, the new ones, I feel like, you know, more modern. I'll definitely be getting each of the new ones though that come out in the near future, guys, so stay tuned. Let's take a look at the bottom here. Emirates on the bottom here, guys. Super detailed. Absolutely love it. Registration there. Love it, guys. Absolutely amazing. Alright, guys. Well, that does it for our video today. Hope you guys enjoyed these Gemini Jets models here. 8 Gemini Jets models here. Got a few of them sitting over here. What a great release here from Gemini Jets, or releases, I should say. Really excited for the future to come here about what they're going to release. But yeah, guys, also on Instagram and TikTok, AIRPORT Nation here, guys. And also, right here on YouTube. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me again today. AIRPORT Nation here. I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day today. Stay safe out there.